Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see a problem on section of solid unit 4 coming under engineering graphics. So initially I will be explaining the question, then I will explain how to write the given data, and after that I will be explaining how to draw the diagram step by step. So don't skip this video and follow all the instructions step by step. So what they gave is a cone base 40 mm diameter. So what kind of solid we are going to draw? We are going to draw cone. Cone means base diagram will be a circle. Diameter of the circle is 40 mm means radius will be 20 mm and axis is 50 mm. The height of the cone will be 50 mm. Rest with its base on HP. So the cone is resting on HP. So base diagram, the base diagram which we are going to draw will be in top view. We'll be drawing in HP only. So we will be drawing the base circle in HP. So this is our top view. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 80 degree to HP. And one more thing is that it is passing through the apex. Underline this word. So cone will be having a sharp point at the top right, that is called as apex or vertex. So the cutting plane is passing through the apex and it is angle is 80 degree. So we need to draw the front view, top view and sectional top view and true shape of the section. This is what they are saying. So initially I think so it's very clear from the question we can easily write the given data, and first step will be drawing the reference axis. The first step is we need to draw the reference line and mark as X, Y, VP, HP. Next thing is the base diagram will be a circle. So we are going to draw the circle in HP. Radius of the circle is 20 mm. Since diameter 40 means take your compass, measure 20 mm in scale and keep your compass here, center of the compass here and draw your circle. And this point is called as O point. This point is called as O point. Center of the circle is O. So radius is 20 means draw the circle. So after that naming we know very well. For cone we will be having only 8 namings. In case of cylinder only we will be having 16 namings, and topmost portion will be the apex. So you have to name like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and dimensioning. These are the extension line. It should be drawn with your 2H pencil. These lines are called dimension line. It should be drawn with your H pencil, and arrowhead and 540 should be written with your HP pencil. So this is the way we need to dimension it. As of now we have completed the top view. By projecting it we can draw the front view of the cone. The next step is we are going to project all the top view points so that we can get the front view point. Keep your scale exactly vertical at A so that you can get this point. Keep your scale vertical at this H so that you can get this point. Keep your scale vertical at G so that you can get this point on reference axis. Keep your scale vertical at F so that you can get this point. Keep your scale vertical at E so that you can get this point. Naming I will tell later on. So center point, that is axis you got right. From the axis for 50 mm you have to draw a line. So 50 mm axis is 50 mm long. So this is the center point right. From here 50 mm keep a point and mark it as O dash. Then just see here, when you see from here we can see A right. So A dash, you can see B but you can't see H. So B dash bracket H dash. You can see C but you can't see G. So C dash bracket G dash. You can see D but you can't see F. So D dash bracket F dash. You can see E. So E dash. So this is the way we need to name it. So whatever we got here is the front view and whatever we got here is top view. Now I will explain how to draw the cutting plane. So see here what they are telling is the cutting plane has to pass the apex. So this is the topmost point O dash. This is the apex. It has to pass. The cutting plane has to pass to the apex and it is 80 degree. So what you need to do is see here. From this point draw a horizontal line. From this point draw a horizontal line and keeping that line as a reference for 80 degree draw a line. See, I have marked the dimension here, but you have to start your diagram from here itself. That is, if this is the O dash means, if this is the, see, this is the O dash means it's like this. Okay, it's like this. This is the point means you have to draw a horizontal line and you have to keep a protector here and for 80 degree. So this angle is 80 degree. Okay, this angle is 80 degree. For 80 degree you draw a line so that it has to pass through apex as well as extend it to backwards. It will be touching the reference line, that is it will be touching the base. So it has to pass through the apex. Okay, first thing, and it has to touch the base. So here apex means axis. So O dash, C dash and O dash, D dash, two cutting points will be there, and here also D dash, E dash and F dash, E dash, two cutting points. So you have to name like this: 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. So 4 cutting points will be coming. 1 dash belong to O dash C dash, 4 dash belong to O dash G dash, 2 dash belong to O dash, D dash E dash, 3 dash belonging to d dash f dash e dash. So this is the way we need to name, and you have to extend the cutting plane. So you have to leave one gap and extend the cutting plane. Here you can dimension. If I dimension here means it will be somewhat clumsy and you can't read it up. Here also reading it is very tough. See, here we are having 2 cutting points on the axis, and base we are having 2 cutting points. Just remember it. Now just bring all the cutting points vertically so that you can get the sectional top view. Now just see, we have projected all the cutting points. So 1 dash means where 1 dash lying, O dash C dash. Okay, O dash C dash, 1 dash is lying. So extend in such a way that you will be getting OC, you will be getting 1. Okay. So see here. So O dash C dash 1 dash is there. So 1, O dash G dash 4. O dash, sorry, D dash E dash 2 dash is there. So if you extend this cutting point downwards between D and E, you get second point, and 3 dash is between F dash and E dash. So if you extend between E and if you extend, you will be getting 3 in between E and F. So now what are you doing? Just connect all 1, 2, 3, 4. And just connect all the points with your HB pencil and try to draw hatching. Hatching is 45 degree. Regarding hatching, we have seen in previous video. Draw a reference line and take 45 degree and keep this line as reference. You just hatch every lines and it should be equal spacing. Okay, equal spacing is must. Hatching should be done with your HB pencil. Angle is 45 degree and equal spacing. Keep this in mind and proceed. Now we are going to draw the true shape of the section. So next thing is we are going to draw the true shape of the section. How we have drawn here? How we have drawn is, see, this is the cutting plane. That is whatever I drawn with yellow is the cutting plane. The new reference line should be parallel to the cutting plane. So we have drawn cutting plane, right? The next line, the new reference line should be away from different view, and these two lines, yellow and green color line, should be parallel. The distance between them is not mandatory, it's our own wish, and length of the line is also not mandatory, it's our own wish, and name it as x1, y1. So this is the new reference line. Keeping this as base, we have drawn this. Now take your compass, keep your compass in old reference line. From here you measure 4. So how much ever distance you are having, same thing you have to cut. I forgot to tell one thing, you have to draw perpendicular lines. That is, we are having 4 cutting points, right? 1 dash, 4 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Just extend all the cutting points vertically. So 1 dash means you draw a vertical line, perpendicular 90 degree line. Here also 2 dash, 3 dash, keeping this line as reference and draw a perpendicular 90 degree line. So just extend it with your 2H pencil. Then take your compass, measure from this old reference line and 4. Try to keep here and cut an R. Measure from this reference line 1, from here cut an R. Measure from this reference line 3, from here you cut an R and mark it as 3 dash, and from this reference line you measure 2, from here you just cut an R and mark it as 2 1. So just connect 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, and then you have to draw, you have to connect with your HB pencil, and hatching should be done with your HB pencil. Hatching angle is 45 degree. You can draw a reference line like this, and for 45 degree you just take this line, and keeping this line as reference you just draw remaining lines. And after that, what you have to do, you have to rub it off. Okay, you should rub it off. Okay, follow the same procedure. So this is the way you need to draw the diagram. I hope so this diagram is very clear. And in case if you have any doubt, you can type in the comment section. And regarding the presentation, see the height of the text. The title is section of count. The height of the text should be 10 mm. And bottom, I think so, it won't be visible. I will make it visible. Now it's visible. So bottom, here you can see 2 lines. All dimensions are in scale 1:1. These 2 lines should be written with your HB pencil, and height of the text is 5 mm for both the lines. And here you can use a pro circle and write the question number as whatever question they are asking. And regarding the border, you have to use your HB pencil from left 20 mm, top 20 mm, right side 10. Sorry, left 20, top 10. Right side 10, bottom side 10, all are in mm. Okay, all the dimensions are in mm. This is the way you need to present the diagram. I hope so everything will be clear. In case of any doubt, you just type in the comment section. If you have any particular problem or particular topic to be uploaded, or if you want you can also type those things in comment section, so that we will be doing the needful and uploading the video as early as possible. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned to the channel. We will be bringing all engineering graphics videos to your doorstep, so that it will be very easy for you to understand. And kindly share the video to all first year students, so they will be using and making use of it during their exam preparation. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.